Hi traders, we have an opposite trade, opposite stretch trade set up over here. How should we be trading this? How should we be trade managing this as well? This and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is still Open here, founder of Master the Markets, Trades Conference, and the Traders Open Day. So traders, so here we are on the euro dollar 1 hour time frame. So this is what we call an opposite stretch pattern setup. Okay, for those of you who want an in-depth explanation of this, watch our YouTube video on opposite stretch. All you need to do is just go on to youtube.com/masterthemarkets. Okay, /masterthemarkets. That's how you spell it, master the markets over here. And you can watch that video on opposite stretch. You see, we can see one of the latest videos over here as well. We've done that. You can look at the other ones as well. So that will give you a very good idea of what all that means. Now, in terms of this opposite stretch, just a very quick explanation of what that means. You've got your lower stretch line over here. You've got your upper stretch line over here. So as it crosses this, and then it goes directly to the opposite stretch. That's what we call an opposite stretch pattern. Okay. Now, how do we actually trade this?
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
So the first thing what we do is a time frame correlation. So we take a look at the daily time frame. We take a look at a rough idea about where this is going. Okay, so first of all, we can see this is a top to bottom move. Open equity has really diminished over here towards the downside. Okay, what does that mean? If the open equity is diminished, that means the open profit is diminished. Now, if you do not understand any of this terminology or concept, please watch our Trader Starter Pack video course. Okay, it's a 5-day video course, 12 years of collected research taught by institutional quant traders, and we've put it all together, and it's all for free. You can just put your name and email address and number, and you can just get it there. Okay, right. So that is to do with the open equity. We absolutely explain all of that in the video course. Now, the open equity is diminishing. There's a higher chance that it's going to turn and create a bottom. This potential bottom can become higher probability of becoming a confirmed bottom. Okay, so that gives me some idea that there is a probability that the BRO can form to the upside today for this bar. Okay, and can then give me an idea if I do want to hold it on for a few more days. Okay, that's what you can give me an idea on. Now, coming back to this traders, as you can see over here, now I'm taking a look at the BRO. Where is the BRO going to form for today, which is a bigger range from the open in terms of the bar? I had a look at the time frame correlation. So, okay, there could be a chance that it could go up to the upside. But where will I put my pending order? Okay, now let's take a look at that. Now, opposite stretch is towards the upper stretch line now. That's the latest one, right? So what I can do is I can put one order, pending order for the high of this bar, which took out the upper stretch line. So let me just put a blue over here, right? And the other one, what I can do, just in case it comes back to the lower stretch line as well. So what I can do also is I can put another pending order here. Now, here's the important part. But of course, as the bars draw up, then the pending order will change. So for example, if this bar becomes a bigger bar here, and takes out this low and sets up a continuation primary as what we say, then we will move this line to the low of that bar. Okay, that's what we will do. Okay, other than that, it will just remain over here, and we'll see which direction it takes and trade manage accordingly. Now that brings me to the third part of this, which is we looked at time frame correlation to decide and give us an idea. Second, we looked at the pending orders. Now the third part, traders, is we look at the trade management. Now, how do we trade manage it? This will be a bit more aggressive because it has gone to the lower side and upper side. Whichever now way it goes, it's got to get to its target in the fastest amount of time. It shouldn't look back anymore because it is already time has passed. So we'll very fast, what aggressive stop loss will do, we'll just trail it below the low of every bar. So that's what we will be doing for this trade management of opposite stretch. So this is how we'll be trading it. A very quick look I will do as well. See if the range of the day has been done. So this was 96 yesterday. So that will be 80. So 0.8 times 96. I'll do a very quick calculation for you guys to here. 76.8. What's the bar range? 70. So it hasn't done its range yet. 6 pips shy. So we'll look for pattern setups and we'll see if we can trade this for today or not. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on this. So this is how you would trade the opposite stretch. Go and review this material and see if you can also incorporate it into your trading system or create one which is similar to ours. And you can also talk to us about that too. Feel free to reach out to us. All right, traders, that's all from me for now. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.